YouTube channel.
Okay.
Get one of them. Here you go, man.
Thank you.
Already, tell y'all somebody. Hey, work around. Okay, hey, mira, my YouTube channel. Okay. It's getting bad when I get over here, y'all. Let me see something. Mira. Let me see something. Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel.
Y'all remember my uncle owns it?
Oh, his uncle. Yeah. Do you tell your T.O.? Oh, I'm just making sure you told your T.O. What about you, miss? Did you tell your T.O.? Dile tu T.O. Mirror, you got a uh-oh. Damn, I thought that was somebody. Yeah, she gonna delay her Theo now, y'all.
I let my tío know.
Okay, he finna let his Theo know too. Appreciate it. Hey, es abuelito. Hey, abuelito. Vete pa' acá.
He wants a shout out.
Hey, man. We need a shout out one time for the one time.
Nah, ask him.
No, you, man. They talking about you the one.
I don't got clout.
Oh, he ain't got clout. He ain't got clout, y'all.
Knock on his window and ask him.
Him right here. That's Alex.
He's in love with your YouTube channel.
Word. Oh, I know him.
Hey, he got 15K. He got 15K followers on Instagram.
Damn. This you on my YouTube channel. You got one. My YouTube channel. Y'all check it out. What's she doing? Ooh. Look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel. Oh, it is? I was just making sure. I know them. Hey, you on there? Nita.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, that's my boy.
This shit fire.
Where? Meme Hub. Meme Hub. Hey, Meme Hub. You know I'm live on YouTube right now, too. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now, Meme Hub in HD. You can come over here. I might race it. I don't know.
I got 100 on you.
On me?
I'ma pop that motherfucker in.
I got 100 on me. Finna put the crying face on. Hey. Get on down. Yeah. Oh, on this side. Let me see something. What they talking about?
I say cash out ready.
Hey y'all, my cash app is Lookout Racing. Yeah, that's all. That's what they say. Move your car. Even if you ain't in the line, you still need to move that motherfucker. Move your damn car, dude. Not gonna tell you again. Alright, I thought he was gonna do it. That's why I had one on, got my Zoom ready. I said he finna do it, y'all. Okay. Got them over here. Where we at? Okay. For the $10. Funker Time probably at XRP. Next batch of shirts, move your damn car. You think people gonna buy that fur gummer? Move your car shirts. Wipe the camera. Come to my YouTube channel. It's HD over here. Timothy Williams with the donation, guys. Just hit up my Cash App. If anybody else wants to, it's 214-514-9545. Wesley Cox. Right lane. Dang, boy, it is. Timothy Williams, it's tripping tonight, boy. But hey, it's still working. Hey, man. Hey, you already know what time it is. Hey, Taluco up next in the right lane. Hey, he about to make a full pass. He about to win me some motherfucking cash. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, work. Wherever TBRC. Look out, you need to film at 720 for better reception. I hate 720. It looks so much good, but they have been acting up a lot. They usually don't act up too much. And if you're not, then you're leaving. Give me 25 reasons. What I need my wallet in my front pocket for? Damn, I got close to you. Ah, okay. Stay up, baby. Damn. Yeah, the backfire. Hey, this is my channel.